Yeah, this is BVI Channel 1. You're welcome back again. And I'm Asu Chinedu Peters, the voice of the people, the voice of God. Oh yes, we see it, we say it. Just somebody came out to say that Tinubu had transformed Lagos State into one El Dorado of a paradise. Oh, what a state.
Tinubu have the best pedigree and legacy in Lagos. What he left in Lagos had made Lagos the fourth largest economy in Africa. Lagos State. So Lagos can stand on its own. Lagos can stand on its own without Nigeria. And somebody laid the foundation. When we don't appreciate people who have done well, who have achieved, and we abuse them because we cannot achieve what they had achieved, then we have a problem. There is no way we can go forward.
And one man that called himself Joe Igbokwe, who is the advisor to the governor of Lagos State on drainage system. While he was busy looking for what is not looking for him at the social media, trying to tell the people how wonderful Lagos has been to him and how he would have been a witch doctor in his village if not for the opportunity Tinubu gave to him in Lagos. While he is busy doing that, people are swimming home. Maka just very little rain that is falling at this season.
Where is Joe Igbokwe? Mr. Joe Igbokwe, the advisor to the Lagos State government on drainage, where are you? Come and talk, oh, this is what you say. No be say there for social media, just talk politics up and down. This is your work. Come and talk about your work. Flood want to carry people for Ablegba. You don't carry people, sir. Siam, over there. Flood has carried people for, over there. Mr. Joe Igbokwe, the advisor to the state government on drainage. You did the top politics for social media. This is your work. This is what you should talk. This is where you should comment. Not on APC and PDP. You are there countering another party. Look at APC state. Look at the work that has been given to you. Mr. Joe Igbokwe.
Una see him, una hear him. Now, una eye don't clear. This one is just for Lagos State. Tsunami is coming to all Nigerians if you venture to make a mistake and allow failure to return back to Aso Rock. Your name could be capital sorry. I'm signing out. I've delivered the message. I want you to share it. Thank you to all the bats. Let them articulate. And probably they will have a rethink and become obedient and useful to themselves. That is all I can say. Tell you Nigerians, I'm signing out. Share this video. It is hitting target. It is opening the minds and the eyes of Nigerian people to embrace this truth. Because this is the only truth that can set you free from the hands of wicked and oppressive political class in Nigeria. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.